my channel Crochet Online Course. Today I will teach you how to make this easy coaster. So for this we need a hook 1.5 mm and the yarn is 2 ply. So we need two colors for this coaster. First we will start with making chains. We will do 35 chains for this size of coaster. If you want bigger size then you have to make more chains. So I am doing 35 chains for this size coaster. I have completed the chains of 35 for the first row. So now move to the second row. For second row we will do a double crochet in the fifth chain. We will skip 4 chains and do a double crochet in the fifth chain. You can see here the space we made. So one chain again, skip one stitch and do a single double crochet. Again do a single chain or double crochet in the second chain. So in this we will make one chain, then skip one stitch and we'll do a double crochet. So this will our the second row for the coaster. Continue like doing this. All line will be like this. So you can see here we have made a spaces row for coaster. Now we will move to the third row. For third row we will do 4 chains, 4 chains here, turn it and make a double crochet in the third stitch, double crochet on the double crochet of second row. So you can see here how it is looking. Now move, so make a double crochet in the second space, again a double crochet in the double crochet top stitch, a double crochet in the third space, again a double crochet in the on the top of the double crochet. So we will here do 7 double crochets here. So this is the last 7th. Okay, first we made a space, starting space, then we made 7 double crochets in the line. So this is the one portion of the coaster. Now one chain, skip one stitch of the space, skip this and make a double crochet on the double crochet top stitch. So again we will make 7 double crochets in the line. We will not skip any stitch. Okay, continue like this. 7 double crochets in the line. We will not skip any stitch. 1 double crochet in the space and next double crochet on the top of the last row double crochet. So 7 in the line. We have completed again 7 and this is the 7th. Okay, so 2 portions completed. Again one chain, skip one stitch and again make the 7 double crochets. So this will be our third row for the coaster. All will be like this. Okay, completed the row. You can see here how it is done. Now again to the next row. For next row we will do 3 chains, turn over, do a double crochet in the second stitch, 1 double crochet, again a double crochet. So in total we have now the 3 stitches. So in the last we done 7 stitches, so the fourth will be our middle stitch. We will skip this middle stitch. So we will leave a space on the fourth stitch. Leave this, skip this fourth stitch, and again to the next we will make 3 double crochets on the double crochets. Okay, this is the, you can see we have left a space over the fourth double crochet from the previous row. So next, make a chain, skip a stitch, and make a double crochet. So this time we will not leave any space, we will make full 7 double crochets on the previous 7 double crochets. So we don't need to leave any space. If you want, you can leave a space, but the design I'm doing, so complete the 7 double crochets here. Okay, in the first portion we have left a space in the middle stitch, and in the next we made full. So in the third we will again leave a space, and the fourth will be the plain without any space. So we have here 2 with spaces and 2 without spaces. So next to move to the next row. So for that, 3 chains. I have left these 2 spaces. Okay, again in the second stitch are double crochets. So we will do this in this row. We will make all double crochets in the line. We will not leave any space. Again, 7 double crochets, 1 space, again 7 double crochets, 1 space. So this will be the row. So done 7 double crochets, and make a space here, 1 chain, and skip a stitch here, and again 7 double crochets over 7 double crochets. So this third row will be like the first row. Double crochet in the space. Okay, complete this row. Okay, so you can see here we have made a full box. Now move to the next row. Next row will be like the first row with full of spaces. For that we will make 4 chains here, 1 2 3 and 4 chains, turn over and make a double crochet in the third stitch. We will skip 2 stitches and we will make a double crochet in the third stitch. 1 2 and 3. Okay, this row will be like the first row. Again 1 chain, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet. 1 chain, skip a stitch, make a double crochet. Again 1 chain, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet. So this row will be like it's full of spaces. Okay, I'm on the last of the row. I will add the other color. This is the very light pink with the shocking pink. So I will add this color for the contrast. Now make 1 2 and 3 chains. Okay, this row will be like the second row of the shocking pink. So 1 double crochet in the space, 1 double crochet over double crochet top. Okay, we have done 3 stitches. Now we have done 3 stitches, so we will make a full line of double crochets here. We will not leave any space. Full 7 double crochets, then 1 space, again full double crochets, So this will be the our row. Okay, this will be like the second row of the first color. One double crochet, again 7 double crochets and a space after 7. So this row is like the second row of the first color. So now move to the second row for the second color. So now we will make the second row of the second color. This will be, we will not leave the space here. In the second box we will leave a space, in the third without space, and fourth will be the space. So this time we are making a free box. Free box means we will do 7 double crochets in here. We will not leave any space in the middle stitch. Okay, make 7 double crochets over 7 double crochets and leave a space in after 7 double crochets. So 7th is done. Okay, 7 are done, 7 double crochets done. So we will, so simple box is made. Now we will make a box with a space in the middle stitch. Okay, so make a chain, skip a stitch and make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3 double crochets, leave a space. For this we will make a chain, skip a stitch and again 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Okay, so here we have done the, so in the next we will make a simple one, and in the last we will make a space box. So I have done it with 2 colors, and you can see here, if you like you can add 3 colors or more. So now I will do the border for this. For border I will do only simple double crochets. For this I will do 1 2 3 chains, and we'll start making double crochets in every space and stitch. So it's optional, if you love or you like you can do, or if you like as it is, so you can skip this step. You can add any other border like shells border or some frills, you can add easily. Or if you love you can also do the single crochet border or the reverse crochet border, but I have done here the double crochet border because it is easy and it will make the coaster more pretty. So I am doing the double crochets all over the coaster, doing 2 double crochets in space and 1 double crochet on the stitch, you can see here. So complete making border. You can see here I have completed the border. Now I will make some stitches. So I have choose this uh, shocking pink color to make stitches in the light pink color. So I have doing this with needle, just doing a simple stitches with the needle. You don't need to make any complications. You can do it easily in no time. Just remember to not skip any space here. Okay, I will do it in all spaces. So I have done the, so for the shocking pink part we will do with the light pink color. So as you can see here how I have done,